share, like that. My my earthly uh uh my earthly husband is with Jesus. Now Jesus is my yeah. Um yeah, but this is different, right? Um because I am still on this earth, or Charles is still on this earth. Actually, Charles already shared this to me. I mean, we talk about our marriage, and Charles said this to me, and I hope my husband will not mad at me. Like, it seems like I am, or we are hopeless to be together on this earth, because he once said that we can be together forever in heaven. It makes my heart breaks. But it's been long time ago that he said that to me. Maybe the reason being is he don't want me to think about it for this time, but trusting God for the open doors for us to be together.